Hello everyone, welcome to Saurabh's classes. So in this session, we will discuss about XAT examination, that is Xavier Aptitude Test. So this is complete guide for your information. सारी डिटेल आपको इसी examinations का सब कुछ हम लोग यहाँ discuss करने वाले हैं. So this is not a new video. I have already uploaded multiple video on multiple examinations. ठीक है? And XAT is one of them. It's very important examination. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, just click on a subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell button as well. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और समझते हैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में कि जेड एग्जामिनेशंस आखिर होता क्या है. सो गाइस, योर पाथ टू टॉप एमबीए प्रोग्राम्स, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज फ्यूचर बिजनेस लीडर क्लासेस. if you are preparing for your master's classes, MBA classes, or if you want to become a MBA person, so this session is for you. Z examination is a crucial step, and for this step can help you to just move ahead for your MBA success story. Okay, so guys, what is Z examination? Let me tell you very clearly about this in detail. So what is the Z exam? The Z, it's a Xavier Aptitude Test. It's a national level management examination, and this examination is organized by Xavier Association of Management Institute, that is XAMI. It serves as a vital gateway for admission into prestigious MBA and PGDM program and for a top tier B schools across India, including XLRI, SPJIMR, IMT, TAPMI, and many others. All these are very, I would say that it's a top B schools for your multiple examination or multiple programs. This examination is conducted only once a year, okay, and typically in the first week of January. So you have time because this is like some 4 or 5 months just there to coming for January sessions. So what is the examination mode? It is absolutely online, computer based or CBT based mode examination. What is your eligibility for this examination? If you open to graduate of any discipline with no age restrictions and welcoming a diverse pool of candidates, so this is the very bright chance for your further experience or further education. Okay, Z exam structure. So what is the Z exam structure? How can you prepare for this examination? Just start to decode the exam pattern. So understanding the exam pattern, it is your first step to just understand about this preparation tactics or important pattern. The Z is designed to thoroughly evaluate your aptitude across various critical areas for your management studies. So guys, these are the section and number of question as well. So if we talk about the section, number one is verbal and logical ability. For this section, you have to prepare for 26 question. Every question has 1 mark and total is 26 marks. Each section have different type of question and different numbers of question as well. For example, decision making has 21 questions and 21 total marks. Quantitative ability and data interpretation have 28 question. It means 28 marks. GK has 25 question with 1 marks each, and now the total of this whole scenario goes to this in front of you. Essay writing is also there, so you have to clear this also. Total question 101 MCQ plus 1 essay, and total marks is 100. So what is the marking scheme? Plus 1 for correct and minus 0.25 for incorrect for more than 8 unanswered questions. So just try to understand what is the flexibility. So there is no sectional time limits within the main 170 minutes. It allowing you to manage your time strategically across verbal and local ability, decision making, quantitative ability, and data interpretation as well. The essay is timed separately. That's why you can write your essay as per your thoughts. So you have to prepare wisely for that because it is important, right? Okay, let's move on. Now, syllabus breakdown. These are the key topics for your preparation roadmap. If we talk about verbal and logical ability, so there is reading comprehension, grammar and vocabulary, para jumbles, and critical reasoning. Now we talk about decision making. In decision making, you have to do case lists, situational judgment, and ethical dilemmas. Now, quantitative ability and data interpretation. In this, you have to do some easy arithmetic and algebra question, which is quite near to the 10th classes. Okay, geometry, data interpretation, and logical reasoning. Arithmetic and algebra, you have to be just focus on your NCRT specifically. General knowledge and essays, just static GK and current affairs is important for you. Related with business and economics news are essential, and abstract and contemporary issues for your essay practice. Okay, so just focus approach on each section based on these core topics. It is important for your preparation guide, right? So guys, what is the strategy and success? What are the important notes I can give you for your Z examination or Z success? That is, decision making is a unique to Z and demands dedicated practice to master its nuisance. What does it mean? It means you have to just practice hard, but in a right way. Okay. Verbal ability is a critical, so just hone your reading speed and comprehension through your extensive practice. Quantitative ability requires strong foundational concept. I'm sorry for that. Revisit basics and solve diverse problems. And GK, yes, in GK, they necessities regular engagement with current affairs and business news as well. Guys, time management is important. So whenever you prepare for your examination, just you have to make a right time plan strategy. Now, what is your coaching partner? So this is Saurabh Sir classes. It's your ally for your Z success. Guys, in this, when we talk about Saurabh Sir classes, you can get expert guidance. So Saurabh Sir offers personalized coaching, and they identify your core areas, your weakness area, which can maximize your potential. Comprehensive study, we also give or provide whatever needs, whatever notes or PYQ. So you have fully access extensive notes and targeted practice paper as well. Mock test and analysis. Regular mock test stimulate your actual examination. It gives you a strength to just qualify your examination with 100% surety that you have that potential as well. So doubt clearing and motivational, this is also a part of Saurabh Sir classes. This is benefit for every student who can take one-on-one sessions or in group as well. Every student is important for Saurabh Sir classes. So guys, the Z examination and the preparation both are important. So what are the essential things? I have just covered everything. This is your journey to success. Start now. Z is challenging. This is, of course, it's challenging, yet it's rewarding as well. Because when you practice hard, so you can get a good admission in good top P schools. Okay. Then strategic focus, priorities, decision making, verbal ability, and quantitative sections are not as tough as you thinking, because if you practice, then definitely it is easy. Saurabh Sir classes, it's your mentor now. If you want to take help from them, so they gives you a best thing or best guidance to just get success in this examination. We encourage you to embark on this journey with enthusiasm. Start your preparation early, maintain a consistent practice routine, and your dedication will just give you a best gift for success in this examination, right? So guys, this is all about, and this is your final thought. Success in Z is a combination of hard work, smart preparations, and the right mentorship. With Saurabh Sir classes, you're on the path to achieving your dream B school. So guys, thank you so much. If you want to get admission, you just ping on a comment section, or you can directly go to the Saurabh Sir classes website. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon in our next important discussion about your next examination. I hope this video will really help you if you're preparing for this examination or if you're searching for such examination as well. So I'm going to give you some more detail about many exams. So just click on that button where you can get some more information. Okay, so subscribe now. Bye bye and take care.